Have you ever seen these stars on fridge or AC? Wonder what does it means? Let me break it down in 2 minutes. These are BEE star ratings given by Bureau of Energy Efficiency in India. More stars means more efficiency. That means less power consumption and lower electricity. Let's take an example. 1 star AC might consume us 1.7 unit per hour and a 5-star AC might consume us 1.3 units per hour. If we use both 8 hours per day, then it saves us 4,000 rupees over a year. That's a huge amount. That's real money saved just by buying smart. It's not just your electricity bill. High efficiency appliances reduces carbon dioxide emission, and that's make planet healthier and less pollution. More stars doesn't mean good quality. Always check brand reviews and warranty. So next time you buy an appliances, don't look at the price. Check the stars. Your wallet and planet will thank you.